Zimbabwe's ruling party says it will initiate steps to amend the constitution so President Edi Mnangagwa can run for a third term in 2028 elections. Napera mashoko atinondi vakomana wirana kuti aiwa takuda kutoamenda that 2013 aiwa constitution kuti ingo allow kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa extend term yake ndokuwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa makomana veNewZimbabwe.com abudanyira chiti the opposition is strongly opposed to amending the 2013 constitution which limited presidents to 2 5-year terms. In an interview with Voashona, Ziyambi, Zimbabwe's Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, said the government is ready to move forward once lawmakers introduce the bill to amend the constitution. There is a prohibition in amending anything in the constitution, Ziyambi said. The only prohibition, the only clause that I know in the constitution, it says any electoral amendments have to be done 6 months before an election for that amendment to be used in the coming election. Anything else, I'm not aware. Lavo Maduke, a law professor at the University of Zimbabwe and an opposition leader, said it will be difficult, though not impossible, for the ruling party Zanu PF to change the constitution in time for its leader to run in the 2028 elections. Legally, yes, you can go through the steps, Madugu said. The steps will require a publication of the first bill, give Zimbabweans a 90-day period to debate it. Thereafter, take it to parliament. It must get a 2/3 majority, and thereafter there must be a referendum. That alone tells you that it is very difficult. It cannot be assumed that since Zanu PF is a 2/3 majority in parliament, they will obtain the 2/3 majority. Ndo mashoko atuko na responses ari kubuda tiona vakomana aiwa the ruling party Zanu PF vachiona kuti hapana kana any hindrance, hapana chinovastopa kuti vamende the constitution. Tiona vakomana vemutemo vano vachioutlina vachitsanangura kuti aiwa the processes anokwanisa kumirira sei, and people they are saying kuti aiwa nemaconditions aripo aiwa vakomana the regime, vakomana the ruling party Zanu PF they may succeed mune zvavari kuda just because even kungava kuva abided by the law kana kusava abided vakomana anokuita zvavanoda. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Kuna kume section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.